Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at one of the great new features inside 4Designer called the Geometry Modifiers. This is an amazing set of tools that will allow you to take the existing assets in 4Designer or objects that you import from external applications and modify them in new ways that are not usually associated with real-time graphics engines. So I'm going to take here a standard supercube. I've just mapped a procedural texture on to give us like a nice pattern to follow, and I'm going to right click inside the geometry modifiers section and we can see a selection of modifiers that are available. So we're going to start off with the bend modifier. When we select this, you'll see that it now appears in our modifier stack, because yes, you can have multiple modifiers assigned to the same object. Now in here we have a set of parameters that are associated with the modifier. In this case there is a bend parameter. So you see, as I start to adjust this, it's bending the object. Now at the moment it's kind of a very coarse bend. You see a very flat edge along here. Let me just rotate the object like so. So what we can do is we can go into the geometry of the object and we can just increase the number of edges on each surface. And now you'll see that the bend is much more smooth. So I can create this bend inside the object like so. And of course all these parameters can be animated. So I can just create an animation like so, and I have an animation of this object morphing like this. Now I can stack modifiers on top, so I can also create and refer additional modifiers inside here. So maybe I want to add a skew modifier to the object, so I can add this, and now I can skew the object as well. So if we just rotate this a little bit like so, you can see that now I can skew this object independently of the bend. Now this gives us many possibilities for modifying the objects inside the scene so that we don't need to create these in an external application. Many of these parameters can be adjusted in real time and animated to create completely new objects inside 4Designer without using external tools. Really, you have to take a little bit of time to sit and explore all the different options that we have here, just to see how we can use these to really change the kinds of geometry that you can make inside 4Designer. Okay, thanks for watching. Please enjoy this new feature.